Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to copy your page on Microsoft Office document Word. All you have is to open your Microsoft Office Word document and follow these steps. The simple method to copy your page is by selecting all its contents and then copy and then insert a blank page uh, without selecting. Insert a blank page. As you can see, it will insert a blank page here and then just paste it. Either you do it manually without shortcuts by uh, copying, selecting the text, then clicking copy and go to the second page and then click right click and click paste. As you can see, we copy and paste the page. Or there is another method is to do it with the macros. To do it with the macros, all we have is to go to the view menu here in the view ribbon, and then you will find the macro section here. We'll click on the macros and view macro. As you can see, I have already created this macro. To create another one, all you have is to add a name, for example, duplicate, duplicate, or whatever. And then you will you will click on create, and uh, it will pop up a page, but that is uh, void here, or that is empty here. So in the sub uh, of the name, for example, if you named your file copy, if you named your macro copy or duplicate, you will find here a function that will be with the same name. In the bottom here, you will copy exactly with even the capital letters, the same text here. All you have is to copy it and paste it or write it manually, and then you will save your work from here. As you can see, you will have to save your macro, and then you will just quit. Now we have our macro that will work. After we click again on the macros, let's run it. If we run the macro, first of all, it will demand us or request us to enter the page that we want to copy. In my case, I have only one page, so I will choose the first page. Then I will click OK, and it will tell me the number of times that I want to duplicate this page or copy and paste it. Let's just click on 3. Let's just enter 3 times, and it will do its works. So this is how you do it, and goodbye.